Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Frida Baby Medicine Pacifier. It's received 4.8 out of 5 stars, it's an Amazon choice item, and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Parenting can be hard, but giving medicine doesn't have to be. Introducing Frida Baby Medicine Pacifier, the stress-free solution to getting your little one the relief they need. Unlike traditional medicine droppers that can be messy and cause fuss, these innovative pacifiers deliver the right dose every time without tears or tantrums. Designed with a patented slit reservoir, it bypasses taste buds, ensuring your baby won't spit it out. Plus, it's made from 100% medical grade silicone. It's safe, durable, and easy to clean. Whether it's for fever, teething pain, or a stubborn cold, the Frida Baby Medicine Pacifier helps you keep your baby calm while ensuring they get the care they need. No mess, no waste, no stress, because when baby is happy, everyone's happy. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.